Hey everyone, today we're going to be learning about area, but we're also going to be bringing back perimeter just for today. And we're going to be looking to see how some rectangles, not all of them, but some rectangles can have the same perimeter and the same area. So let's just review real quickly perimeter. So let's look at this shape right here. So I have this shape, and it's a rectangle, of course, and so to find perimeter, it's counting outside edges. Count the spaces on the outside. So I'm just going to put dots above them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that has a perimeter of 18 units. Not square units, but units. But if we were to count the area, of course all we're going to do is count the squares inside. So I'm going to count them inside with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has a perimeter of 18, but an area of 8 square units. And so I want you to be able to look and identify rectangles that can have the same area and the same perimeter. So let's look at this one. This is a different rectangle, and so it's going to have a different area and different perimeter. So let's look to see if we can find out how to find the perimeter of this one. So I'm just going to put a dot above each length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that one has a perimeter of 16 units. Now let's count the area inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 16 units for the perimeter for a round, and then 12 units, or square units, for the area. So we're getting closer. We're bringing those numbers closer. So let's look at the lengths of the sides. If we're measuring the area equals length times width, then of course here we'd have our 2 on the short side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the long side. So it would be 2 times 6. The other one was 1 times 8. So let's look at another way, see if we can get where we can have the same perimeter and the same area. All right, let's look at another one now. I've turned the rectangle sideways, and so it's a different way of looking at it, but it's still a rectangle. It still has sides, 1 short side, 1 long side. Of course, we have 4 on this side, 3 on this side, and of course 3 will be down at the bottom, 4 will be on the right. But let's look at perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the perimeter is 14 units. Now let's look at the area inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that one has an area of 12 square units. And so the numbers are close, but they're going to have different units or different lengths. And so being able to determine and remember which is the way to measure perimeter and which is the way to measure area. So now I've cleared the board, and I want you to think about a rectangle that has an area of 32 square units. 32 square units are right here for you to think about it. And I want you to think, and if you need to look at or draw an image on your whiteboard at your desk, or draw something that can help you, what would be a perimeter of a shape? And be ready to answer that question. What would be the perimeter of a shape that has an area of 32? Be ready to answer that one.